guys, today is a very special and sad day. This weekend, I finished my jigsaw puzzle. My beautiful 3,000 piece Star Trek, which is awesome, jigsaw puzzle. So, I can't leave it for very long. So, today is the day that I tear it apart. I have looked at it, I've loved it, and now it must go away. So, your announcements for today, as I destroy my jigsaw puzzle, are, first, please be in your IR book, okay? You guys have about a month left before your IR project is due. That means you've got 2 weeks, 3 weeks to be reading, to have your IR book read completely. Okay? Like this jigsaw puzzle, it might take some time, but it's worth it. Okay? So make sure you are reading your IR book. I have posted on the Google Classroom what your project is. It's going to be the same as you did first quarter. You are making a Google slide. You will not be presenting it per se in the classroom, but yeah, let's do this. But you do need to have the Google presentation completed by June 3rd. Okay. Next, there is a talent show coming up. Okay. Virtual talent show. That means you guys have the opportunity to put something together, record it, submit it. Okay. So make sure you check that out. That's on the Bible. There's an announcement I made yesterday. There's a good chance I will be performing something. So if I am going to perform, you guys should perform because you're super talented. Lastly, I want to encourage you guys to be getting away from the computer. Okay? I know it's tough when you've got all these assignments on the computer, but I do not want you guys sitting with the computer all day. When it's sunny out and it's beautiful, it might be easier to go for a walk or do something. But even in the rain, I'm encouraging you guys, please get outside. Well, maybe not outside. I don't know. Get up. Get doing something, whether it's a jigsaw puzzle like this, or some, I don't know, jump squats or play hide and seek with your parents. That seems like not a lot of fun, but you could try it. Do something outside of just sitting at your computer all day because that's not cool or beneficial for your brain. That's all I have to say. I'm going to finish putting these away, and then I need to find a new jigsaw puzzle for this weekend. What are you going to do, guys? All right. I'll see you at Zoom.